Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kinkdiva and I'm Precious Irebo. So for today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to style your hair in so many different ways, just in case you have an event, you have a wedding, and you probably don't know how to carry your natural hair. These are your go-to styles. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to take down my ponytail. I don't use rubber bands, I use scrunches. They don't cut my hair. Rubber bands cut my hair, so I use scrunches. So guys, this is the hair. The hair. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, my hair feels so soft. It feels so soft. Feels very, very, very soft. Very, very soft. And I have like 80% shrinkage. My hair shrinks a lot. Okay, so guys, let's get right into this video. So we're going to start off with the high bun. Then I'll go in with the bigger one. Just put my hair in place. That way. Then I go in with this one to make sure I slip down all the little hairs in the roots and everything. I want this bun to be flawless. After which, I go in with these. You can use any kind of hairbrush so long as it's firm and you can smooth your hair down and all that. Okay, I use Gorilla Snots. I don't know if you guys can see. I use Gorilla Snots. It comes in different sizes, so I use this one. I got this for 1650. The label is still on it. Okay, you guys see. 1650. So what you want to do is get a shoelace that is quite long. You hold it into two, put the center part to the front of your head, and you go this way, go round your head. What's this? You go round your head, and then you hold it at the back. You pull up, a gentle motion. You've got it to how high up you want it to be. Start pulling the top this way, that way. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is like very flat, as though I used gel, right? So I don't want to saturate my hair with so much Gorilla Snots. That's why I usually use this method. So this is our high up bun. It's our bun, yeah. Our bun is ready to be rocked, guys. All these flakes from the hair treatment I did haven't all fallen off, so you guys will forgive me just a little bit, right? Let me turn around so you can see what it looks like. There! So you have your high up bun. I know a lot of people have been asking me how I sleek the front of my hair, that the hairs cannot go down. You can see it's really smooth. So if you want to add a little extra, you can go with your Gorilla Snot or any gel of your choice. So I'm going to be installing this here. So now this is how I do this. I have a lot of this scrunchies, so that's what I use. So I take this and I place it. Okay, I place this up around my hair that way. Then I shift the little to the front. Then go in circular motion, covering my own hair and making sure it is tucked in. You want to use bobby pins. I have some bobby pins here. So you tuck it in nicely, secure it in your bobby pins. So all the pinning you're doing, you're pinning your hair towards the bun, making sure that it secures the dread. If anyone that falls out, you take it around and you tuck it in. Now this part is going to be open a little bit, so what you want to do is to take some of the dread spread it around the top. You just tuck in using your bobby pins again. So once you've secured your hair, you just control it using the bobby pins like this. You just tuck until you're comfortable and you're certain that and using your bobby pins to secure it until you are certain that your dreads have been tucked in nicely. And anyone popping out, be sure to tuck it in nicely. On the top, tuck in everything. So I'm done. So, your choice. You can go in with your gorilla snots. That's what it looks like inside. Yeah, it's just white. There's nothing to it. So you can just apply on your top of your hair and you're good to go. But as for me, I don't want this on my hair right now, so I'm only going to apply it to my edges. You guys can see I'm just going to concentrate on my edges. Okay, so you try to use a generous amount. Okay. So when you're done, you're supposed to put on your silk scarf to hold down your edges. It's what you're supposed to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. Something like that. So I'm putting on my silk scarf. So my edges will be defined by the time I take it off. For now, we're going to take this down and see what it looks like. Oops. Okay. Yummy. Few seconds worked. So that's it.